Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53, and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the X-Icon Changer app from the Play Store. So open the app and here on the search pool enter the X-Icon Changer. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open the app. Then just tap here and just select one from the available applications. For example, we'll change the contacts icon here. We can rename the icon by click here on this edit, and also we can here select one from this available icons. They have here different folders. Also, we can just use the photo from our device gallery previously taken on our device camera, or just download it from, for example, from the internet. Or also we can use the camera right now and take a picture and just now, but I'll go with the one from these icons, for example with this one. Just to save, click here on the right upper corner to OK.
Hello Dave, how you doing? Oh, hello.
Now just wait a little bit to skip the ads. Here click to the X icon and tap to add. After that we can change the next icon by the same way. And now here on the device screen we can see the new contact icon here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.